Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Here we are back with Build a Boat for Treasure. It's kind of annoying because I've tried to film this video twice already. And yeah, can't really get anything done. And like I said last time, that didn't work. These 450, I've got 397. I just need 53 more gold. Then I am out of gold, but still, I love good stuff. Okay, let's get building. Alright, I'm back. I've built the boat, and well, I got this one like last time, I think, but not actually last time, because the video just didn't work. No, Tom. The cat was just trying to eat my food. Cats aren't supposed to eat my food! Okay then. Okay, set sail. No! Aww. I like that skeleton with the duck head and demon wings. I like that. Now, I've just got 2 headlights now. That's all I've got. 2 headlights. You will follow me. Because there's literally nowhere else for him to go. I hope this one works just like the one on my first episode of this game, I think. I don't know. I might not have even uploaded that, so... not good. I'll have to upload that next. Okay. I like how when you're on the white team, no matter... Oh. I forgot to build the big saving thing. Wait, no, that's for a different boat when I have these. Okay. I'm protecting the thing. I feel like it's gonna go right past me. Yep. A broken one hit. Oh no. That isn't good. Well, I mean, it would not have been on the front anyway. Probably should have put it somewhere else. Brakes, brakes. Okay then. This is gonna be annoying until I get to the end. Okay then. Really? This place again? It's always gonna be this place. I'm surprised none of it... Never mind, I did really bad placing. The block can't fit in between that. Yeah, that placing was terrible. Probably should have done it all with concrete. Now that I'm thinking of it. No, not this level. No, I'm gonna get shot by those things. The aliens. I don't know what they are. Got shot in the face by one of them. That's where it is. That's where the explosions. Why are all the explosions like a tiny bit behind? Never mind, it's destroying my thing. Or do you stop? Yeah, you can still see me, but still stop. If you like played before this level was updated, wasn't there a... Well, before the whole game updated, wasn't like the ground just go up in chocolate stuff? Great, I just got hit by the train, didn't I? Ow! That destroyed a bit of my boat. Not much, but... Oh, it destroyed up top a bit. I'm so bad at placing stuff. Where am I? Really? These are here. I hit another one. I don't think it has enough power to flip me upside down, because it's just like my thing's probably a bit too heavy. Not that place. I'm too close to the middle too, I'm gonna go down it. I'm doomed. Oh great, it just opened. I'm not gonna get the gold I needed. Ah! Bounce me out, come on. No! What? Oh. Right. Anytime I go down there, I always die. There's not much on the top, all on the sides. Good, I'm facing this way to go. Okay. What? It's the war, isn't it? What? Okay. At least I can buy it. I could even buy the legendary chest if I wanted to. But no, getting the motor. Okay then. Motor. Car seat. There we go. What do I build it out of? This won't be a long one, but still I'm going to cut until I'm... Okay then. See these lines? It looks like that one part is deeper down, right? But since the blocks are like this, it's always fine, and I never wanted to place that one on the top, which is good, because I didn't. Alright then. I think I know the perfect way to do this. Well, first I'm going to have to add these. I saw this in a video, which they just joined the game and have no idea and had no idea what they were supposed to do. Then I'm going to stick out by one. Yeah, I'll use multiple. I'll use multiple sticks, but this part wasn't actually part of it. 'Cause I think this'll. You know what? I actually think this is good enough. Yes. Dun 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 dun. This is so good control. Dun 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 dun. This is amazing control. Now it'll be much faster to get there. Okay, just do a little. Great, I hit one. Okay then, let's keep going. Oh. I feel like that was my fault. That exact hit. Every time I get a hit, I'm blaming someone random that I don't know. Whoa. Okay, then keep going. Okay, I need to find a good area to go.
Yeah, he said, well, to be honest, he sounded like he didn't know what who the hell it was, but
Okay.
so here, take you outside.
Okay then.
Yeah, quite nice that, I think.
Okay, keep going. Get through. Oh. No, don't tell me it's broken. Oh, great, they are. Yes, perfect time. I use this. Now they won't hit me. I'm focusing too much on them. I mean, I am getting faster every time, but I'm gonna just. That actually scared me. No. What? This place again? I thought I just dealt with it. Why not? Deal with it again. What, am I going backwards? No! I lost it. That's probably the reason you need multiple. I'm not going backwards either. Yeah, because pink isn't first. No! I'm gonna die here. I need more. I really need more. Help me. Bling. Bling. Oof! I didn't expect to explode. Wow, I just exploded fast. I'll get the 45. No. There's no point. Total minimum is 10 blocks. How about this? Minimum is 34. Total minimum 118. How am I gonna get back over there? Okay then. We're gonna have to make a better boat. And we need a defense boat. Just in case. Hopefully next time, whenever I actually have someone to do it with, they can like build a gigantic defense boat with like really powerful stuff. Basically a lot of cannons and what are they called? Just cannons, actually. Yeah, just cannons. That's all I need them to have. Right, hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Bye. Hang on.